Akash Vyas, working as an assistant professor at Department of Mechanical Engineering, CHARUSAT. This is material testing and characterization lab. Here we have a facility of 3D printer. This 3D printer works on the principle of fused deposition modeling. So basically, this printer can print 3D components of a materials like ABS and PLA layer by layer. The software that is used for this equipment is CHARUSAT. So first, it needs to import a stereolithography file format of a model to a CHARUSAT software. The software will slice the 3D model into a G codes, and that created G codes will be sent to a printer, and then that printer will print the components layer by layer. In present setup, the capacity of component size is having a build volume of 20 cm3. So this technique is considered as an additive manufacturing technology. The advantage of using this 3D printing technology as compared to subtractive manufacturing technique is that here there is the freedom of design flexibility. We can create any complex shape, as well as here the reduction of material or material wastage is very less, and there isn't any need of post processing for a produced component. So these equipments can be used at a UG and PG level for the student projects and the research work.